Meaning of for what it's worth.
For what it's worth.
For what it's worth.
For what it's worth.
For what it's worth. For what it's worth is an acronym that stands for what it's worth. It's often used in informal conversations, emails, and online chats as a way to indicate that the speaker is providing information that may or may not be useful or relevant to the discussion. The phrase is typically used to preface a statement or opinion that the speaker wants to share but doesn't necessarily expect others to take seriously. In essence, for what it's worth is a way to signal that the following information should be taken with a grain of salt and that the speaker is fully aware it may not be particularly significant.